Some stories don't just touch your heart. They change your soul forever. Today, you will hear two emotional stories. Stories of the Sahabah. Stories filled with love, sacrifice, and faith. One night, a Sahabi stood alone in prayer. The world was asleep, but his heart was awake. He recited the words of the Quran slowly, and one verse touched him deeply. He kept repeating the same verse, again and again. Tears rolled from his eyes. He was afraid of standing before Allah, and he cried until morning. This was the faith of the Sahabah, hearts soft for Allah. There was another Sahabi, a man tested with poverty. He barely had enough for himself. But when Islam needed help, he brought everything he owned. Yes, everything. The Prophet asked him, "What did you leave for your family?" He replied, "I left Allah and His Messenger for them." What kind of faith is this? A faith stronger than fear. A heart attached only to Allah. Today, we cry over dunya, but the Sahabah cried for their akhirah. They lived simple lives, but their hearts were full of iman. They sacrificed everything for Islam, and Allah honored them forever. So ask yourself today, what are you sacrificing for Allah? May Allah make us among the righteous. Ameen.